hope you are doing well. Welcome to my channel. In this clip, we want to talk about another game programming pattern in the Unity, which is called Flyweight pattern. In this programming pattern, we are going to use the minimum usability of the memory and the variables which we have defined in our script, because some of the objects, players, characters, or other elements maybe have the same parameters, but with the minor difference. So we can share those similar variables between all of them, and save our memory, and keep low the memory usage in our game or application. Okay, let's do this. For doing that, we have the an empty object, and which called manager, and in an empty scene. But for seeing that, we should have prefiler of the Unity in here, and in the manager we have a script which called Flyweight. For example, let's see what is the inside of this script. We have namespace Flyweight pattern, and in here we have list of class alien, and all aliens inside the new list alien. And for example, you can imagine we have a character which called aliens, and in this character has eye, leg, and arm positions. For generating 10,000 aliens in our scene, we should have the position eye, leg, and arm for each one, and with these with these positions, try to generate the aliens. Look at this. In here we have new aliens, which is added to this list. But for generating the aliens, we should have these parameters: eye position, arm position, and legs position. For doing this, we have defined list vector tree get body part positions, and list vector tree body part positions into the new list vector tree, and in here until I 1000 try to generate the vector tree for body part position and add to the list, and finally we will have the final result as a list of body part positions. With these positions, we generate our aliens and put it inside of the all aliens list. Okay, let's come back to the Unity. Okay, and now I've added this Flyweight to the game manager, and now I play the scene. Okay, let's take a look at our prefiler. As you can see, if you click on memory, you can see the tracked memory is 930 megabyte in use, and for the managed heap, it is 500 megabyte in use. Okay, now for comparing between this method, it's the standard method, it's not Flyweight. I take a snapshot, and I want to crop this part. Okay, now I clear this guy and come back to the Unity Visual Studio. In here I've defined three vector tree lists. In here, eye positions, leg positions, and arm positions, which is already defined in all of them, and no need to generate every time. With this method, we don't need to call these functions: get body part position, get body part positions, get body part positions for each one. and in 10,000 times. So I've defined these lists, and I will set the variable for this one by default because these parameters are the same. They will not change in each time. Look at this. We will call this function, and this function try to generate again and again and again, but with the same numbers. So this one is calling the get body part positions can be comment, and this part will be the with flyweight pattern. In the new class of the internal class alien, we have defined public list vector 3 eye positions, get an internal set, and for the arm positions, leg positions as well. So we can define any numbers we want in these lists, and also we can get these numbers from this class. And in here, in the flyweight pattern, we will just call, okay, eye positions equal this list. No need to generate because these numbers are the same. With this example, you can imagine if we have some stable variables which are the same for all users, we can store them as static variables and use them again and again and again, and no need to generate them each time, every time. Now I play the game. Look at this. I stop the game. I put it in here, and this guy in here. Look at this side. Tracked memory in use, it is 930 megabyte, but in the flyweight pattern, it is 461 megabyte. It's about half, 50%. And in the managed heap, it is 23 megabyte in use, but in here it is 500 megabytes in use. It is too much. As you can see, total memory breakdown, it is, it's very low, but in here it's very high. With this programming pattern, we can keep safe all the variables which are common between all users, characters, objects, and other elements. Okay, I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, and don't hesitate to ask any question related to Unity, XR, AR, and VR, and like this video if you like it. Have a great time. Bye bye.